So I've just received an email from YouTube saying that my channel is now monetized, which is insane because I started this channel just 60 days ago. And here's how much money I made today from AdSense alone. Kind of crazy how fast this all happened. So I grew this channel to over 3,000 subscribers in less than 3 months. This channel is now monetized and produces AdSense revenue every single day. However, it takes 4,000 watch time hours and 1,000 subscribers to get monetized on YouTube. And as reported, it takes 254 days on average to meet these requirements. So if you don't want to wait a year to get your channel monetized, make sure to watch this video till the end, as I'm going to share everything I learned so far by exploding this channel and getting it monetized in less than 3 months. Quality over quantity. So look, one really good video will outperform 100 mediocre videos. So you're better off making one video that is amazing rather than putting out garbage content. But what is a good video? Well, I'm gonna touch on that in a minute, but first let me tell you some things that stops majority of the people from even starting their YouTube channel. Look, if you already have an iPhone 11 and up, you are good to go and start making content. You don't need a fancy camera or expensive microphone to get started. These things help, however, these are the things you're gonna upgrade with time. So if you're watching this video, you probably have everything you need to get started. So what is a good video? Well, let's break it down to the most fundamental principles. So all you gotta do to make sure your video performs really well on this platform is you need to make people click on the video and watch that video for as long as possible. So let's break it down further into basic fundamentals. What makes people click on the video? The video title and the video thumbnail. So view this part as marketing, because if you have an amazing video but no one clicks on it, that's not good.
If people don't click, they don't watch. So you want to give them something to click.
Vice versa, if you have an amazing title and thumbnail, you get a lot of clicks, but people do not watch your video long enough, you're going to have a crappy video performance as well. My top performing video has 42% watch time, and what I've noticed is that if you publish a video and it gets over 40% watch time, that video generally performs really well in the long term. So how do you actually make people watch the video for as long as possible? Well, it's really tough. However, if you focus on the strategy I'm about to give you, it will be clear as day on what you need to focus on when you are making your videos. So first 30 seconds of your video is the most important time. If you can get 70% of the viewers to watch first 30 seconds of your video, you will always have a better watch time. However, to do that, you need to know a few things. First thing is that whenever you're starting the video, you want to reinforce the video title. So if the title of your video says how to grow on Instagram in 2023, you should start your video saying, in this video, I'll show you 3 strategies that you can use in 2023 to grow on Instagram. People clicked on your video and they instantly been reinforced on what they're gonna get from that video. Now you also want to add something that will make people stick on your video for as long as possible. So you could say something like, one of these strategies helped me to blow up my Instagram page to over 100,000 followers in 2 months. So make sure to stick till the end of this video to find out which one of it was. So you just reinforce the title and made a strong claim that will make people stick through your video longer. Also guys, all these strategies I'm talking about, I teach more in depth about in my creator program, which you can find in the first link in my description or in the first pinned comment under this video. Okay, so once we know how to make a video that performs really well on this platform, now is the time to start making and publishing these videos. So here is an exact blueprint to reach your first 1,000 subscribers, get your 4,000 watch time hours, and get monetized in the next 60 days. Keep in mind that all you need is to get that one video pushed into the algorithm and make sure that that video is optimized to perform really good. I don't know what niche or topic you're gonna be creating videos about, but this strategy I'm about to show you is going to apply to any niche out there. What I've noticed is that a lot of creators started out in specific small niche, and with time they broadened their content and started branching out to different types of videos. So let's say you want to start out a fitness channel, help people lose weight, gain muscle, etc. In that case, all you need to do first is to find 10 channels in a fitness niche that has from 10,000 to 150,000 subscribers. And then you would go through their recent videos. I would look at a video that has been posted in the recent 2 to 3 months and see which one of the videos performed the best in this time frame. You're going to find few videos that perform really well for them. What you're gonna do is you're gonna module the title and the thumbnail of that video and make your own video in that specific topic. I'm not saying to copy entire video, title, and the thumbnail. Actually make it even better. And then once you have the video ready, make sure you copy the tags of the original video and you've put the same tags when posting your own video. This is going to trigger the YouTube algorithm, so whenever people are watching that original video, your video will pop up on the right hand side. You can already see that that video is being pushed by YouTube for that specific creator, which means you're gonna have much more chance of going viral with the same type of video. And you'll just keep doing this strategy till you get that one video to pop. And once that video pops, you start making similar type videos, similar thumbnails and similar titles. And this will start to compound. You're going to have larger and larger video catalog. And once someone views some of your videos, they are going to go through more content that you have. The hardest part, of course, is to start and get that one video to pop. But I promise you, if you truly dedicate your time using this strategy, you will eventually get that video to pop. And YouTube is an amazing platform because once your video starts generating views, it will never truly die out, especially if you're creating evergreen content. It will continue to get views months and even years down the line. So keep in mind that it's truly worth it. Now, if you have an old channel with content already posted on it, but that content isn't performing really well and not getting many views, I would recommend you to start a brand new channel with a brand new email address and start creating content on that new channel instead. In the past, I had a YouTube channel and I had to make a decision if I continue with that channel or start out a brand new channel. And actually, I'm so glad I started a brand new channel, which is the one channel you're watching this video right now, because this channel is growing at a rapid rate right now. And the old one, it just seems like whenever I posted on it, videos went nowhere. And more people I talked to who are actually experts at this YouTube game told me that YouTube right now really does push out new channels and that new channels perform much better. Every day I see videos just popping out from the new channels and getting a lot of views out of nowhere. Guys, if you apply these strategies for the next 30 to 60 days and publish at least 5 to 10 videos using the strategies I showed you precisely, I can 100% guarantee that your channel will grow and you will build a successful YouTube channel in 2023. And if you decide that you also want to grow an Instagram page, this video will show you how to do just that. So if you want to learn more about Instagram, click here and watch that video right away. Thank you for watching.